we have to find the sum of integers with different signs. We have -3, -7, and 5. So we have -3 plus -7. Both integers are negative. When we have integers with the same sign, in this example negative, so we copy this negative sign and we just add 3 and 7 in parentheses. 3 plus 7. Next, we have to remember about 5. So this is equal. Negative sign we copy. 3 plus 7 is 10. So we have -10 plus 5. So this is equal. Now we have addition of integers with different signs. First is negative, second is positive. So first we check the sign before the greater number. 10 is greater than 5. So we check the sign before 10 is negative. So we copy this negative sign. And now in parentheses we just subtract from the greater number smaller. So we have 10 minus 5. So this is equal, negative sign we copy, 10 minus 5 is 5. So the answer is -5. And the last example, start from the left side. We have again negative integer and negative. We have to add them. So because both of them negative, we copy negative sign and in parentheses we just add these two integers. So we have two numbers, 300 plus 800. And we have plus 1300. So this is equal, negative sign we copy, 300 plus 800, so it will be 1100 plus we have 1300. So this is equal. Now we have to add integers with different sign. First is negative, second is positive. First we check which of these two numbers is greater. 1300 is greater than 1100. So before 1300 we have positive sign. So we copy this positive sign and we just subtract from the greater number smaller. So we have 1300 minus 1100. So this is equal. Positive sign we copy and 1300 minus 1100. So this is 2 hundredths. Positive sign we don't have to write, so this is just 2 hundredths. This is my solution.